everyone, it's Pam at Inky Fingers Journals, and I'm going to do a flip through today of my journal that I named Fern. It is a junk journal, and it is in my Etsy shop. I've had a lot of people looking at it and favoriting it, and I figured I would do a flip through since, number one, it's my favorite journal ever, and number two, people are showing some interest in it. So the cover here made out of cereal box, I believe, with embellishments. This is a silk plant on the front, key decorated with alcohol ink, little cloth tie on the side here, and we'll just crack her open here. So in the front we have some journal cards. Actually, this is more of a scrappy pad with lots of writing space in there. Pop those in here. We've got our wonderful bunny from Edith Holden's Diary of a Country Lady, one of my favorite books. Another vintage postcard there. Dyed paper, some embellishments, another little journaling paper there, some fabric and collage. One little collage here. Two little baby pages here. And another journal tag there in a pocket. A bunch of little pages here. Lots of writing space. Some embossing there with a little bit of gold finger wax. Belly band with a journal card in there. Oh, it's actually a little envelope. Okay, and hidden paper clip here with a metal butterfly, more alcohol ink, and this is more of a tag tuck than an actual tag. More paper. Another vintage postcard of Washington, D.C. Capitol. I grew up in Maryland, so it's kind of my stomping ground. One more pages here. I kind of really love the neutral nature theme right now. That is kind of my inspiration for journals going forward. Some of the other journals in my Etsy shop are brightly colored. I believe Primrose is kind of pink. Sweetheart is very pink and very shabby chic. And Seashore is kind of a sea glass green, but Fern is definitely a little charm there on a journaling card. Card there too. Fern is green and brown. And a nice little tuck there. Vellum. Lots and lots of writing space in here. Some fabric ruffle there. I just love this kind of vintage art with plants. I'm a biology major, so plants are kind of my jam. Another little envelope there. Big giant journal card here. Some collage, little bow detail there. And another pocket there. Hidden paper clip. Big giant fern. Yeah, I really love nature. I was a Girl Scout as long as they would let me be, so I could continue to go camping and hiking and rock climbing and caving and rappelling and all the fun stuff you get to do as a Girl Scout and not when your parents don't like camping. So I was a Girl Scout, I think, until my junior year of high school, and loved it. A skinny little tag here, a quote from Vincent van Gogh. Also love Vincent van Gogh's art very much. More little tags hanging out the side here. Another little butterfly detail on a tab. Little collage here. Really starting to love corrugated cardboard. The pocket as a backing for collage. Little vellum pocket there. Big giant card. I just kind of love that rustic look. Little vintage photograph of a little guy riding his bike. Vintage postcard there. Some sewing on a book page from Walden by Waldo Emerson. More of that wonderful vintage plant art. A little card here. I think Fern has 3 signatures. A little pocket here. Lots and lots of pages. This is an envelope here that has some vintage botanical papers in there. More little baby papers. And a little tag tuck that I saw on Kathleen Maurer's channel. I loved making that. It's so much fun. She did a great video on those little tag toppers. This is a tag with a baby tag, and then another paper behind there. I saw Sasibo. Dragana makes beautiful art with fabric and printing. Another piece of paper here. I guess this is a fold over. It's a little fold over. So lots and lots of beautiful art and writing space. Beautiful. And little journal cards here. Lots of little paper clips. Well, I hope you really love Fern as much as I do. It's so much fun doing the water distress with the distress oxide. Another little tuck here. And that's it. Big pocket back here as well. Pocket here. So lots of room for writing and keeping your treasures. I hope you really loved this flip through of Fern, and you can visit her at my Etsy site, Inky Fingers Journals, Etsy shop, all one word. Thanks for looking, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.